Page 46, this is number 1 at the top called Dance. It's just a part of an excerpt. It's just a little piece of it, the real thing. Now on this exercise or this lesson and the next 2, they just want you to read music. Just read it. Sight read it, I suppose, but you're just reading music. Not introducing anything new here. You're using what you already know, I hope. I haven't forgotten. And read music. Now, before you sit down and you read a piece of music, there's still certain things you got to do first. And it's the process I use when I'm learning a piece of music. I'm kind of doing some stuff first, and then I'm doing everything else all at the same time. So first, before you do it, again, look it over. How long is it? This is 1 line long. Okay. Clef signs, treble and bass clef. Got to know what those are. You get it all screwed up. The key signature, how many sharps or flats or whatever. This is in the key of C major. Look at the last measure here. Yeah, C major. So I know the scale for C major and A minor. Key signature, no sharps or flats. And the arpeggios too. No harm in that. And the time signature, 2/4. So based on that, then I kind of look it over and see what's in it. I got quarter notes and eighth notes, and that's pretty much it. I'll rest. Then I just sit down and try and play it. Here, right hand is your here, the hand, you figure out where your hands go. And if you look through it, you'll see you're only moving around a little bit in the right hand. So it's here. So I'm going to do everything. Dynamics, articulation, the whole bit. Here. Come down. I almost got it all. I forgot a couple of things, so let's go back and check. First, I forgot the tempo. How fast does it go? Because you need to know that before you start on this. So usually I do the tempo last. After I got the notes and rhythms and fingering, articulation, dynamics, then I think about the tempo. But here, when you're reading like this, you got to know the tempo first. You got to get it in your head how fast you're going to go. Poco allegretto means a little bit on the quick side. Well, good luck figuring that out. It's not a set speed. Moderato is what I just played. It's got to go just a hair faster, whatever a hair is. I don't know how long the hair is. And then I tried to do the dynamics, although I missed one, the MP, I missed it. I was a measure late. I didn't get moderately soft in time. So the first 4 measures louder than the last 4 measures. It's like a statement, reply, or echo, or whatever. And I also missed the dolce in between the staves. And sweetly. But I don't know about that. It's too early in the morning for sweetly, but we do what we can. So if I fix these things, I'll try it again. And that last note at the end, because the left hand plays staccato, I'm going to play staccato on the right. I don't know why it isn't staccato. Maybe it's because it's the end of the excerpt. But on measure 4, it was staccato. So why can't this be staccato? As far as I'm concerned, it can, although that's not what's written. You should hold it out. I don't know if it's an error in the music or if they really want you to hold that right hand note out at the end. I don't know. That's where the teacher comes in and says you didn't do it right. Like, whatever. Now, a little bit about this left hand. You have 1 chord and then a 1 sus4. All you're doing is taking the middle note up to a 4th. That's called, you're suspending it up to a 4th. It's a 1 sus4. They didn't want a 5. It's a different sound. So that's, you get it again later on. Just be careful, because if you're not paying attention, you'd play a 5 here. Let's play it together slowly, just to check the notes and the rhythms. I assume you've got the fingering down, you're moving your hand, you have to move the right hand, but you have a staccato, and that gives you a chance here to move around. You look down at the keyboard if you have to, that's fine. But you got the articulation and all that, and you're ready to go. And one more thing you can put in here, if you think of it, get it to be a habit. You don't have to think of it, it'll just happen. And that is the natural accent. 1, 2, 1, 2. Feel it. Because the left hand's playing on the off beats. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2. Yeah. Just about interpreting the music. I think it's better if you just get in the habit of the natural accents. Let's play this together very slowly and check the notes and the rhythms. I'm not going to do louds and softs. I'll do everything else. And I'm assuming now you can play it. You've done all that. So just check and make sure you got the right notes and rhythms. I'll give us 2 counts. Ready, go.